so badass. Super satisfying. This thing is sweet. So we're going to combine this Perun V2 Lightning and this Perun Speed Clicker both into this bone stock AEG. It's a bone stock G&G, nothing's done to it, never been touched. So we're going to open it up for the first time. So let's go ahead and get it open. Let's start out by taking this body pin. Ah, shit, I forgot my tools. Hold up. Anyways. So that's done. Let's get this in. That was easy. The clicker is also really easy to install. It's just drop in. You got to put the trigger in first, but after sitting here and messing with the trigger for an hour, I found out that the stock G&G trigger
is not compatible.
So I'll put that in when I have a new trigger. Anyways, after I have the new trigger in there, the clicker is pretty easy to install. It just sits right in there, simple as that. It comes with these 3 screws here. The plastic one is if you want no click because there's no magnetism. You got the stainless one if you want a little bit of click, or you have the black one if you want the most click. And as you can see, it is the most magnetized. It's also got a couple different springs that it comes with. Mine came pre-installed with the soft spring. It comes with a hard spring too. I'm gonna go with the soft spring and the black screw. So that way I have some click, but it's still a pretty loose trigger. All right, we're back and look what I got. Trigger, and it's blue. Thanks, Lucky. It works with the speeder. Everything is adjusted just like I want it. Got a little bit of click. Lightning's installed. Right, let's see what else is in this box and make sure we're not missing anything. This looks like a piece that goes on this trigger. Well, we got the speeder, so don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Cool patch. We could use this. That's it. Trigger just sits right in there like that. This is super easy. Sits right on top. Now for the fun part. What if I could just... Got our ARP 556 with the lightning in it now, and the speed clicker. Look at this click. It's got an actual reset that you can feel. Lots of different firing modes. If you remember before, it was just safe, semi, full auto. Now you got to choose from safe, semi, burst, 2, 3, 4, or 5 round burst, which might as well be full auto, and binary. You can make it to where your semi mode position is either binary, burst, auto, you name it. You can change your auto position to anything you want as well. Or if you're feeling real froggy, safe, safe, safe. Super satisfying trigger. Click, 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 click. Magazine loaded up. Right now we got it set safe, semi, full auto. So we got safe, doesn't shoot, semi-auto, full auto, 2-round burst, 3-round burst, 4-round burst, 5-round burst. Check out this binary trigger. Binary's so badass. It's got all these different type of modes you can adjust. Let's take a look at pre-cocking. So what pre-cocking does is it actually starts your piston to where it starts compressed. It's compressing your spring before it even shoots, so it's going to give you a faster trigger response. It's got 8 modes of pre-cocking. This is level 4. You hear how fast that is? Definitely shoots a lot faster, but you're going to wear down your gearbox a lot sooner this way. So if you don't need it, don't use it. It's got anti-braking, which is really handy if you're getting overspin. The 2-stage trigger you don't need if you have a clicker. What that does is if you pull the trigger halfway, you can make it shoot a semi or a burst. Then when you pull it all the way, it'll shoot full auto or whatever you set it to. With the clicker, there's only 2 positions, open, closed. But if you don't have a clicker, you'll get that feature. Trigger sensitivity, same thing with the clicker. It's got 2 positions, closed, open, but if you don't have a clicker, you can set your trigger to be as sensitive as you want it. If you got a real strong motor in there that's shooting way too high on full auto and your field doesn't allow it, you can actually turn it down. You've got 5 different levels of how you can reduce the rate of fire. DMR modes. So this Lightning isn't only restricted to ARP 5.56s. You can put them in any V2 AEG. You can limit your fire rate to make it shoot like a DMR. It's got a LiPo alarm so you can protect your battery. If you're a tech and you got a DSG, it's got a DSG mode. And then of course, you can reset the whole thing with master reset. Perun V2 Lightning combined with the clicker is a deadly combo. Definitely a lot cooler of a gun now. Thanks Lucky for the trigger, that came in real handy. If you want to get rid of your old boring airsoft gun that's only got 2 modes, semi and full auto, now you got semi, burst, full auto, fuller auto, safe, whatever you want with the V2 Lightning.